Good evening, everyone. I am Gantala Sajay Sai Krishna, a dealer in-house trainer representing Lakshmi Hyundai. So, as you know, Hyundai is a very significant automaker in the context of the global scenario. We are the fifth largest manufacturer of vehicles in the world. We are the second largest manufacturer of vehicles in the country. And we won the prestigious Indian Car of the Year award 7 times. So, there are certain reasons to that. We simply didn't get to that stage. We kept offering benefits to customers. We kept improving our customer service, and we ensured at the end of the day that customers remain happy. So to that end, I'm going to talk to you about several perks and benefits we offer to our customers. So here we are with our all new Grand i10 Nios, and I'm going to get into the benefits in a bit. Firstly, this car comes with a 3-year or 1 lakh kilometer extended warranty. This kind of standard warranty package isn't offered by any of our competitors. We also get 3 years of roadside assistance as standard. To make the icing on the cake is we offer extended warranty packages of up to 7 years. They are optional for our customers. And our standard warranty, just in case it isn't enough, we have something special for you. Usually standard warranties don't cover wear and tear parts. They are more like a guarantee against defects. But we offer something that covers wear and tear parts, and that scheme is known as a Shield of Trust. So the Hyundai Shield of Trust scheme offers replacements of 14 wear and tear parts n number of times over a period of time. We have 2-year packages, 3-year packages, 4-year package and 4-year packages. 14 significant wear and tear parts such as bulbs, bushes, brake pads, clutches can be replaced n number of times. Just a one-time payment, and you're all set for hassle-free ownership, guys. So this is a very lucrative deal, and this deal can be availed any time before the first service. So I suggest that you take this option while purchasing your vehicle. And I'd like to tell you some highlights about the Grand i10 Nios we have beside us. This car comes with 6 airbags in the top end model. None of our competitors offer 6 airbags, and comes with 4 airbags in the standard models. Most of our competitors offer only 2. This car comes with additional safety features such as a tire pressure monitoring system, a highline tire pressure monitoring system, along with vehicle stability management and hill hold assist control. We also get emergency stop signal lights at the rear, which means that when you apply sudden brakes in case of an emergency, the rear lights will blink thrice. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you got an idea about the benefits of the Hyundai brand and the Grand i10 Nios. In case you want more information, feel free to contact your nearest Hyundai dealer, or else you can go through the links mentioned in the description below. As usual, I am Sajay Sai Krishna. Good evening, and see you for today.